Okay, let's take a look at using the GoalSeek in Chapter 6. So I'm in the manufacturing worksheet. I'm on the, workbook. I'm on the forecast worksheet, and we're going to apply the GoalSeek command. And in the instructions, I wonder if I can bring them over. In the instructions, it tells us some of the information that we need to know to apply this GoalSeek. So it reminds us, I have to bring this up a little bit. It reminds us that we have 15,000 gallons of raw material available for production. And then it goes on a little bit so that you have to decipher what's the information that's useful to you and what information is sort of just extraneous. Down later it says, our task is to determine how many units we can produce to completely exhaust those resources. Okay, so back to the spreadsheet. And then don't be thrown off by existing data in the spreadsheet. Just think about how can we apply this GoalSeek. So here in B16, we have raw materials consumed, and currently the number housed there is 300. And if we think about it, we can apply it. If we have 15,000 gallons of paint, that means that's our total inventory. So we can sort of say to ourselves, well, what if we used all 15,000 gallons? How many units then would we produce? Okay, so I'm active on B16 under the data tab, the what if category, and then there's my GoalSeek command. Oops, sorry, I'm going to bring that on the screen. So it'll pick up B16 because I'm there, and then the instructions tell us that we have a total inventory of 15,000, and then what we want to know is how many units can we sell if we use up all of our inventory. And units sold is here, B4. Okay, I'm going to click OK, and then while that, it doesn't even take very long, while that's cooking away, I'm going to just move it up a little bit. The instructions tell us to put our answer in the sheet called Q&A. So pay attention to your solutions because you have to type it in. So here it said, well, it did what we asked it to. We asked it to change B16 to 15,000, and it did that. And B16 as a related value then changed B4 to 5,000 units. So now we know we can I forget what we're manufacturing, but whatever it is, if we use up all of our paint, we'll sell 5,000 units. So if I go over to the Q&A sheet, I can, because of the recording, I can't flip it over. You flip it over to the Q&A sheet and type in that answer, 5,000 units. And then here, I believe you can hit cancel to have it go back to the original data. If you have any questions, feel free to email me.